Hi guys, so if your Apple Watch won't stop talking and you cannot key in password and you're facing so much trouble, then the easiest way to do it is to turn off voiceover. And the easiest way to turn off voiceover is just press the digital crown, activate Siri, and say turn off voiceover. And that's it. If you can't use Siri on your Apple Watch, then what you can do, you can just press the digital crown and then go to this setting icon. Once you tap on the setting icon, you will reach to a page like this. Just go to accessibility, tap on it, and tap on voiceover and turn it off. That's it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the video.